Hey guys, welcome back to another Swift tutorial. So in this tutorial I'm going to be explaining how you can use date formatters. And date formatters are really useful for when you just want to format a date. And you can use them to convert a date into a string, because if you try and print a date then it's just like, it's not very easily customizable, if you know what I mean. You might want to have a different format like days first or year first, something like that. So I'm going to create a date by just getting the current date, and this is going to be our date. So currently if I just print this date, then it will print, but we won't be able to really do anything with it. And it's not really advised to use these dates, print a date right onto a label, so I wouldn't do that. And if we just wait for these to come on, and oh, okay, there's our date. So this is the current date, and you see it's in years, month, and days, and then hours, minutes, seconds, and then that. So to fix this, all we have to do is, if we want to print this onto a label or just print this in a different format, then we can create a formatter, and this would be a date formatter. Then you can give this formatter a special format, or you could just give it a date style. So if I do date style, it'll give us a few options, and these are the full date styles. But let's say you want a custom format, so lowercase y stands for year, lowercase m stands for month, I think, or it might stand for minute, which we see later, and then h stands for hour, capital M stands for minute, seconds of course, and then plus ZZZ, which is just a time zone. And now we can print this date formatted with this formatter. So if I format that date for this, and then we can actually we should print this. So now we're going to be able to see the difference between these two dates. So you can see, oh, okay, sure. Capital M is month, lowercase m is minute. So if I do this again, you can see these are perfectly timed up. And yeah, oh, just one thing, when you leave it as US, I'm pretty sure, if you leave it as a US locale, then it comes default as a AM and PM, or 12-hour clock. So to fix that, all we do is give this a locale, and if we leave this as Great Britain, then it will always be in 24-hour clock. So identify with NGB, and if I run this again, we should see that this works. Wait, let me run this again. Alright, so or maybe NUS. I think I might got it a bit muddled. Oh, well, I don't know, but there's definitely a way of making it AM and PM and then 24 hours clock. But yeah, so now I'm going to explain how you can turn this date back into a date. So let's create a string, and this is going to be our string. So create let string date equals formatted string, and we're going to get rid of the time zone. And now to just convert this into a date, we would just do this: let formatted date is equal to formatter dot date date from string, and then we can just do string date. And if we run this again, since we formatted that date into this file, it should just work without any problems. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in a future tutorial. Bye!